So today was a fun day. I think I fought 10 or 11 fish. They were screamers. They were hot. I got taken out hard. I netted the one. The first one I caught fought was just silver chrome, but they were all hot, and I felt like I was just way overmanned on that one. But what a fun day! What a fun day! Yes, that's why I bought a camper. Thank you, Sherry, because I had a blast today. Oh, GoPro, start recording. Okay, come on. Come on. Oh. Third fish of the day. Okay, come on. Okay. I think he's good and hooked. Okay. Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. Oh, there he is. He's in the back of the hole. Okay. Okay. Oh, God. Ugh. Oh, there he wants to run down river. No, I cannot let you go. I cannot let you go. Oh, there he goes. Shit. Okay. Okay. Come on. All right. Okay. All right, I gotta put the brakes to him. Okay. All right, you gotta get out of the boat. You gotta tire him. Just let him sit here for just a second. Okay. Oh, there he is. There he is. Oh, there he is. There he is. Oh, there he is. Oh man, come on. Okay, you gotta get some ground on him. Okay. Oh. Oh, come on. There he is. Okay. Come on. He is just kicking my ass. All right, you gotta get some ground on him. You gotta get some ground on him. Okay, there he is. Okay. I just can't let you go any further, dude. Oh yeah. Okay, I gotta get out of the river. Get in the river. Nope. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Oh! GoPro, start recording. Oh, God, yes. Okay, all right. Okay. Okay. Oh, shit, I'm gonna get my ass kicked on this one. Oh! Oh! GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, start recording. Okay, all right. All right. All right, I'm gonna get you, you little son of a bitch. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, you are feisty. Oh, oh. GoPro, yeah. Oh, shoot. He is nuts. Okay, okay. Oh! Okay. Alright. Alright, this is a good spot. Anyway. Holy smokes, he is feisty. He is feisty. Oh, come on. Oh my God, I gotta put the screws to him now. All right. Okay. All right, let's go down and get him. Holy. Dude, put the screws to him. Okay. All right. Ah. So I just hooked up 2 out of this hole. Not, you know, 10 casts, 2 fish, and they are hot and they keep breaking me off. So I'm hoping to make a good night of it here. I am 1 for 6 right now and getting my ass kicked for sure. All right, let's go get him. GoPro, start recording. Holy shit. These fish are hot. Okay. Ah! GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, start recording. Oh, God. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, I don't know how to even begin catching these fish. Okay. Okay, come on, come on now. Oh, oh, you beast. Oh, you're right there, you're right there. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, all right. That's a nice fish. That's a nice fish. Okay, you want to go up? I'll take you down. You want to go left? I'm going. Oh, I can see you. Okay, here we go. There you are. There you are. Okay, there you are. Oh, no, go. Okay. Okay. Oh, I got you. I'm gonna net this fish. Oh, nope, you're best. Oh. Oh, come on. Oh, okay. Oh, oh. Oh, you are a feisty son of a bitch. And this is why I bought a $30,000 camper. Because I can't get enough of this. Oh. Oh. Come on. Okay, let's net this fish and then go home. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Oh! GoPro, stop recording. Oh, that's a heartbreak.